Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This review I'm going to take you on a resort room tour at InterContinental Phuket Resort. InterContinental Phuket Resort is an IHG Hotel located in Kamala Beach. This is the flagship property for the InterContinental brand in Thailand. So you can expect facility and service in the continental standard level. Here is the premium ocean view rooms. The room size is 46 square meter, one king bed at beachside, including exclusive access to the Club InterContinental. The room also includes balcony face to the ocean, so you can sit back and relax on your balcony, settle into the comfy indoor seating area. The decor stylish is like heaven on relaxation. Every detail is designed for ultimate comfort and relaxation. Bathroom is separated by sliding door with a freestanding bathtub. Amenity kit service are from Horn brand. Last year I did a review in the room type of Ocean View Suite. That room have additional living room, so I will put the link below and you can follow the link if you would like to see the review. Exclusive Club InterContinental Lounge offer complimentary breakfast, afternoon tea, and evening cocktail and canapes. Afternoon tea served at 2 to 4 p.m. every day. Here is the set of afternoon tea during my 3-day stays, but I video only 2 days. Evening cocktails and canapé start from 5 to 7 p.m. every day. And here is the set of evening cocktails during my 3-day stay, and I record only 2 days. Here is the beach bar named Pint. It's open all day till late night. The breakfast actually served at the main restaurant named Pinto, but it was too crowded, so I did try at only the lounge instead. At the lounge, they mainly serve a la carte menu, which is already good for me. Here is the breakfast dish that I ordered from my 3-day stay. The resort features many outdoor swimming pools. There are 2 pools located at the beach side and many more at the mountainside. Kamala Beach faces to the western side of the Phuket Island, so you can enjoy the sunset and many beach activities. There are a lot of facilities, which include fitness center, spa, beach bar, and children's playground. After the COVID aimed, the room price is increased very skyrocket. However, the room rate for Club InterContinental is still worth the pay as it is all included. Thank you everyone for watching. Bye bye.